can we take this craft kit for kids and make it into a super cute spring decor item? Yeah, we can. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. I got this craft kit, got it at Michael's. It's like a little weaving kit. Super cute, right? But the thing I loved about it is this is like a really thick piece of wood, and I loved it. So this is an optional step, but I mussed mine up. I used a dry brush method and some white chalk paint, and I just went over it because I wanted it to look a little bit more country like I have. And then I took some wax and I put it on my little distressing thing, and I just went over that a little bit. Now I have these cute little daisies, also bought at Michael's, and I'm just going to pop off the tops, and yes, it's the CC. We're going to just put some glue on the back, and we're going to put them in the hole. Like, yes, it's that easy. Now, here's the thing, though. You could put a daisy in every single one of those holes, and you're going to get a really dense patch of flowers, or you could do them spread out. This one I'm showing you here is a little bit more spread out. And the reason why I did that is because, listen, I don't know about you, but these faux flowers are expensive. So I wanted to conserve some cash. So anyways, so I just put a daisy in. The petals cover up the other holes. So I just kind of went and kind of just sporadically put daisies in. These daisies were like a peachy pinky kind of color. So, and there was a couple different shades. So I just, went with it. But look at how pretty that is. I mean, quit it. I know it's out there for some of you. I know, and then this is my favorite one. I found little daisies also at Michael's. These were like 79 cents a bundle. I'm not even kidding. I was so excited. So I just cut the tops off because these ones don't pop off easily like the other one. I distressed the little chick like I did the other one. You don't have to do that. And then I did the same process. Glue on the bottom, and then I just popped them into each of the holes. And again, I did them sporadically, probably once every 4 holes or so. I put a daisy, and oh my gosh, I know this is out there, but it kind of reminded me of like a kissing ball, but for spring, and it's a chick. I know. Silly. I can't help it though. I love it. I think it's super cool. Daisies are my jam though. I love daisies so much, and it just brightens up my decor. I love it. Yes, I made 2 of them. And again, I put the daisies on both sides. So that way you can, and it does stand on its own. So it's like a shelf sitter. Got to be very careful when I say that. A shelf sitter. I did it. Yes. Anyways, so you can see the whole process. I just kept gluing the daisies every which way, and I love it. Look, quit it. Like, quit it. That's the other side. I mean, how adorable is that? And yes, it does stand. I didn't show you that it stands, but here I will show you. Ta-da! It stands. Look how cute they are. They're silly and adorable, and I love them. And I hope you do too. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.